sive sesingahlala phansi.
Ndlovukazi emakhosikazi ihosi enkulu yeBotswana aphindze abe former president Ian Khama, former president Jacob Zuma wase South Africa, former President Joseph Kabila wase Democratic Republic of DRC of Congo. Special envoy lesimelele President wase Taiwan, Foreign Minister Lin Ching-lung, bantu abenkosi, ndvunankulu emabandla ekululeka tikhulu, lijaji lelikhulu, lisekela la ndvunankulu, labamele bacondzisi netindlu totimbili teParlamente, labamele emave lapha timenywa tonke letibalulekile letibuya ngaphandle lobuke sigodzi salapha eshiselweni nani nonke bekunene sindvusela eshiselweni.
Your Majesty, the Ndlovukazi, emakhosikazi, Your Majesty, Seretse Khama Ian, Ihosi, the former President of the Republic of South Africa, Jacob Zuma, the former President of the Democratic Republic of Congo, Joseph Kabila, the Special Envoy, Your Excellency, of the Special Envoy of the President of the Republic of China and Taiwan, Dr. Lien Ching-lung, Your Royal Highnesses, Prime Minister, Councillors, Chiefs, the Chief Justice, the Deputy Prime Minister, Cabinet Ministers, Excellencies, members of the Diplomatic Corps, presiding officers and members of both houses of Parliament, the regional administrator for the Shiselweni region, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all here in Hlangano.
Bekunene siyajabula ukuthi namuhla sibuthene lapha eshiselweni la khona sitogubha lisuku lekudala.
It is a great joy that we are gathered here in Hlangano on the celebration of the King's birthday.
Bekunene sisuka ephasikeni njobe evikini eliphelile besolo sithandazela live, sithandazela eMaswati, sithandazela umhlaba, sithandazela iAfrica.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are fresh from the celebration of our Good Friday services, where we were gathered to pray for our nation. Not only praying for our nation, but we prayed for our region, we prayed for Africa and the global village.
Bekunene angisho ukuthi uyabonakala ukuthi uNkulunkulu uvile umthandazo wethu ngoba itolo kuze kwasa solo lithela dibusiso le na nyalo sekunelanga solo dibusiso lethu.
I must say that Almighty God has indeed heard our prayers. As of yesterday till this morning, the rain was falling heavily. But right now, as I speak, the sun is shining, showing that indeed God has heard our prayers.
Bekunene elangeni lelinjena sithandza kunemukela nonke kulomkhosi sithathe nelithuba lekumukela inkosi enkulu long former president Khama nabo bonke lebe bomangamele ne special envoy lesithunyelwe ngupresident eTaiwan nabo bonke lababuya ngaphandle sithi nonke netivele nemukelekile bekunene.
I take this opportunity to welcoming all of you gathered here today. My special acknowledgement goes to His Majesty King Ian Khama of the tribe of Botswana here today, and also the former presidents here, and also the special envoy from the President of the Republic of China on Taiwan, and all our dignitaries that are visiting from without our borders. Feel free and welcome in our kingdom here today.
Bekunene leli lilanga lakhona sito kubalsuku lilanga lakhona sitotibongela kuNkulunkulu emadlotini kusigcina babe nathi basinakelele emoyeni emphefumulweni ebekunene.
This is a day of great jubilation and celebration. It is indeed a day where we come to thank Almighty God for keeping us, and also our ancestors for all the life and the strength that they've given us up until this far.
Bekunene sibonga umdali ukuthi nembala nasengadini usigcinile kakhulu na sihlangane nesive sitogubha lisuku lilanga lekujabula lilanga lekuthi singemaswati sivusetelane kuba munye njoba singemaswati sitsandzana sonke ebekunene.
Indeed, this is a day of celebration where we thank Almighty God for the strength and the life. This day signifies our identity, our unity as a nation, and our love and harmony for one another as we celebrate this day here today.
Bekunene kunibona ningaka kulomsebenzi wanamuhla kuyindvokoto lenkulu nenjabulo kubona sive siphelele kulomsebenzi lesibonala ukuthi naso sitosikhona ukuthi simunye njoba sikhuluma ukuthi lelilanga lekuhlanganisa ukuthi simunye singemaswati sisekela live simane live ebekune.
Indeed, seeing you in these great numbers is heartening and uplifting indeed, whereby we are displaying our unity as a nation. We display our patriotism. We display upon the entire world that we stand one as a nation under God.
Bekunene sibonga onke maswati ngoba onke maswati ayabusekela bukhosi kaNgwane ngekudimisela lokukhulu nangelithando bekunene njoba namuhla nje ningaka lokhu ningaka nemikhosini leminye lesengcekiyo kukhombisa ukuthi sive semaswati simunye sibambene kakhulu sise asikudumise lokho bekunene.
I would like to acknowledge and appreciate your unwavering support that you have continued to give to our monarchy and our kingdom at large. Your continued display of unity has been seen in the various activities and national ceremonies that you have so participated in across the entire year. This is indeed appreciated as a Maswati.
Bekunene nanga sisive sitiphethe kahle sijabulisa uNkulunkulu uyawube uyasibusisa uNkulunkulu ngoba uyati ukuthi sive nanga besimthanza naye utawusithanza bese ufuna netinto lakatawutendela sona leso sive ukuthi inhlala kahle ibe ngileba ngcono kakhulu bekunene.
Ladies and gentlemen, if a nation pleases God, that nation touches the heart of God to the point that God himself seeks for things that he shall do for the nation that pleases him.
Bekunene nembala na silapha singemaswati ubuka yonke tinhlelo delive njoba live likhuluma nge-transformation ukuthi silungise umnotho silungise inhlala kahle silungise tekuqeqesha nayo yonke emakhono lesingawalungisa ukuthi sihamba kanye kanye sifanele sifike kuleli phupho ukuthi live leSwatini lifike esigabeni ukuthi selibitwa ngokuthi live la ka First World bekunene.
Our nation has embarked upon a transformation agenda. This agenda, ladies and gentlemen, is important as we aspire to becoming a first world nation that is advanced technologically, that is also into technology and also transforming and unlocking our economy to first world status.
Bekunene nasi awufika ku First World sibheke ukuthi live lonke leSwatini onke emaswati lalapha afike kulesigaba sekwekuthi ngiloyo naloyo ekhaya ativele kwekuthi sokuvele uphila iFirst World bekunene.
If we as a nation shall declare that we have attained first world status, it will mean that every citizen in this kingdom must have that experience seated at home that yes, indeed we have attained first world status.
Kufika kulesigaba lesi kubita ukuthi singemaswati sisebente kakhulu kunakuqala sifaka umfutho kube nemdlandla ekusebenteni ubonalise ukuthi sisebenta umsebenzi noma ngangisiphi isigaba sifake emandla kakhulu ikakhulu ngoba live leSwatini lapho strength salo lisikhona khona siku human resource bekunene asikho kakhulu njengalamanye amavilo councils ukuthi anemicebo leminyenti phansi noma ikhona lakithi kepha ke strength sethu lesitawusimikisa ka first world silakithi emahlombe ebekunene.
Ladies and gentlemen, in order to attain first world status, it determines that as a nation, we must work hard. We must also be inspired and innovative in our working places. It therefore calls for us to stretch ourselves, as we all know that our greatest strength as a nation is on our human resource capital, which, unlike other countries who are naturally rich in minerals and other naturally appearing resources, our greatest strength as a nation lies and relies upon you as a nation, upon you as a human capital.
Bekunene nembala nasita ufika lapha kumqoka ke ukuthi netinhlelo delive dikhombise ukuthi nembala tivele tihambisana nalomgomo wakangwe ukuthi siyagijima live lonke silifuna ukuthi lithuthuke kakhulu ebekunene.
It is for that reason that national programs and plans must take after the Nkwe agenda in ensuring that development in this kingdom is hastened and taken to the higher level.
Bekunene kungaleso sigaba ke njoba sila eshiselweni sito kuphalisuku kuthi sitolandzelela ngalelilanga lelisuku kuthi silandzelele kwekubuka ngetigodzi njoba lama celebrations noma lemikhosi ihamba ngetigodzi kukhutsata tigodzi titokhula emqondweni tikhule kutenhlala kahle tikhule emnothweni ngekuthi nembala sifike mathupha sitobona ukuthi ke lelihlelo la ka first world sonke sibambile yini leyo line bekunene.
The reason we have come here to this celebration in the Sicily region, it is to enable us to follow up on our development agenda in the region. As you are aware that the birthday is celebrated in various regions year after year, it is for that very important and vital reason that we should follow after your development in this region. We want to see if you are indeed developing intellectually, economically, and otherwise, and also to see how you are faring socially in this great region.
Bekunene kunga leso sigaba ukuthi njoba sitela eshiselweni sitawuphindze sithole nelithuba lekunivusela eshiselweni emimangweni la nihlala khona ngekwehlukahlukana kukhutsata nekubona imisebenzi leniyendako ubona impilo lenikiyo nekubuka ukuthi lani idzinga lusito lekubanjiswa ningabanjiswa kanjani ebekunene.
Whilst here in the Shishton region, we shall find the opportunity to visit you in your various communities where you stay. The reason of my visits to your communities is to identify the various needs and support that you need in the various programs that you do have. We shall be encouraging you in the various projects that you are doing in the various communities here in the Shishton region.
Bekunene siyajabula ke ngoba nembala noma silandzela tinhlelo ngoba akusiko kweqala ukuthi ngidabe ngikhona lapha neminyaka elophelile nasicethe umkhosi wemhlanga besikhona la eshiselweni saphindze salitfola lithuba nekunibona nekukhutsata yona imisebenzi sikholwa ukuthi yonke lemisebenzi lefikako lapha emadude kwenu lekhonako ngoba siyati ukuthi live leMaswati neMaswati basekhona labangakawathole emathuba ekungena emsebenzini ngakho ke asina uphumula until wonke loLswati ati noma lohlala la Swatini asho ukuthi nami ngiyavukela ngiyasebenta ngiyaphila.
We are glad that, yes, we shall have the opportunity to visit you in your various communities, just like last year after Umhlanga Reed Dance ceremony, we did have the opportunity to visit you in your various communities. As the Maswati, we will indeed ensure that jobs are created, and we shall not rest until every Liswati has a job to wake up to every morning, and this we shall ensure in the kingdom.
Bekunene kanjalo nalaba khanya ukuthi kumbe ukhanza ukuthi abalale tindzaweni letingeto tindlu tabo setonakali kakhulu bantu labadzala lokhanza ukuthi bahlala nalabasha sekude nalobanakelelako ukuthi kude umuntu lomdzala kude neliswati lesitalibukelela lihlale endzaweni lebonalako ukuthi kutempilo ayifanele lendzawo siyawubona ukuthi tonke takhiwo eveni kungaba tekuhlala kungaba tekusebenta tibonala sewewe ukuthi sigaba sempilo sewewe ukuthi siphila etinsukwini tanamuhla sibe kuleso standard ebekunene.
We shall also ensure that infrastructure development in this region is taken to the expected levels and standards, more especially when I consider the livelihoods of the elderly amongst us, who have little ones to also take care of, whilst they themselves have no one to fend for them. As a nation, we shall ensure that they stay in houses that are fit to house elderly people, houses that are not a risk to their lives. We will ensure that the elderly are well taken care of in this region and in the nation. We shall also ensure that other structures for development or business areas are also uplifted to meet our first world status.
Bekunene lapha nangi thatha bukhosi nga 1986 ngabuka iGDP yelive leSwatini kuleso sikhathi yayiku 1.5 billion emalangeni lengujabulelako namuhla nasibuka iGDP singabuka nje iGDP kuphela sibuke imisebenzi leminyenti lefaka ikhatsi demandi tekuqhumana tabogezi imigwaqo nangokonke kuphakeme kakhulu i-lifestyle iphakeme namuhla nasesibuka from 1986 sibuka namuhla ku-2025 iGDP yelive leSwatini ingaphansana nje kwa-100 billion emalangeni bekunene.
I recall in 1986 when I took over the throne, our GDP was just at 1.5 billion emalangeni. And today, as I consider many variables, including our electrification program, our sanitation and water programs in the kingdom, roads and the lifestyle of eMaSwati has greatly improved. To date, in the year 2025, our GDP is just below 100 billion emalangeni to date.
Bekunene konke ke lokho siyakwati ukuthi eMaSwati aze afika kulesigaba lesinje aba nekubambiseka nemhlaba iAfrika isibambisile kakhulu bekunene nemhlaba wonke jikelele usibambisile wajikijela esivivaneni lesikubonako nje tithelo lesinato nabo siyababhala ekhathi ukuthi nabo basibambisile kakhulu futhi ke siyathumisa kakhulu nekubakhuthaza bemhlaba bonke neAfrika ukuthi siqhubeke sibambisane sisasukela umkhankaso ukuthi live liya ka First World basibambise nakhona basilayele tindlela kuhle ngoba emkhathini emaveni ukhanza ukuthi asakhona la vela sabo First World countries siyakholwa ukuthi ke bayosishiyela ligwayi nathi sitofika kuleso sigaba bekunene.
Ladies and gentlemen, the achievements we boast of today are not just of our making alone, but these achievements have been the continuous contribution and support from our neighbors, our region, Africa, and the global village has contributed to the advancement and the achievement that we have so achieved. Our aspiration as a nation is to reach first world status. It is for that reason that we implore all our neighbors and friends that have already attained first world status to continue supporting us and showing us the way on how we as a kingdom can attain first world status. We therefore count upon you, our friends, to support us in attaining our first world status ambition as a kingdom.
Bekunene nokukhulu kuthi nasingeMaSwati siqhubeke sititfobe njengoba sititfobile bekunene lesikubongako nekukubonga ukuthi sive sibambene singeMaSwati sititfobile siyahlonipha kuyinto lenkulu lena labanye bangakuthatha kancane abantu ukuthi kuyirecipe lenkulu ku development ngoba labafuna ku-investor eveni kulelo live nalelo live into yokuqala labayibukako babuka ukuthi tenhlala kahle tekuthula tikhona ni kulelo live nakubonakala ukuthi kuhamba embili lokho kubese kuyabakhuthata labo labafuna kuletha imisebenzi ngekwehlukana sithi ke asikhuthate sive sonke semaswati siqhubeke siyibambe njoba siyibambile bekunene.
We take great pride in seeing the greatest virtues that you daily uphold as a nation of humility and respect that continue to give us the peace and stability of our kingdom. This might be taken for granted at times, yet humility and respect has given us the peace that we enjoy as a kingdom, which is actually the greatest ingredient that investors look for when looking for nations where they shall invest their monies. They look for a country that is peaceful and stable. This is what we have as a kingdom, and this is what you have given us as a nation, that we shall enjoy the peace and tranquility in this kingdom.
Mekunene kumqoka ke ukuthi indvo lenhle sishile titukulwane letinsha letiyawuvela ukuthi nalabasha bakhanze live lakhile balikhanze litindile lihleti kahle kunekuthula kunenjabulo nabo sibafundzisa indlela sibakhomba indlela yekuphila ukuthi nayi indlela yekuphila njoba sifuna labasha labatawukhula bakhule kahle emqondweni kube bethe lokubaphathamisako etimbilweni tabo bakhule batokwati ukuthi batotsi nase babazala nanabo bajikijele esivivaneni ngalokubonakala ngeligalelo lelibonakalako ngoba kuya ngemuntu ukuthi ukhule njani nangabe umuntu angakakhuli kahle ligalelo lakhe livele libese lilandzela leso simo leso kepha nabe ukhule kahle ligalelo lakhe lilandzela ukuthi ukhule kahle fanele ke sibanakelele labasha bakhule kahle batokwati live ukuthi balikhulise kakhulu ebekunene.
It is for that reason that we must leave this legacy to future generations, to our young ones that are upcoming. We must teach them on how to preserve peace and prosperity in a nation. We must inculcate upon them loyalty and patriotism, which is integral in ensuring that a nation prospers. It is for that reason that each and every one of us in this kingdom must teach our young ones the right way to go. If a young person has not been brought up well, he will continue in wayward ways and lead many astray. But if our young people are brought up in a good way, they shall contribute meaningfully to the prosperity of our great kingdom.
Bekunene kanjalo nalaba bonalako ukuthi bakhubatekile noma kumbe basekuhluphekeni lokuthi ngetempilo ngoba impilo yehlukahlukene ukuthi sisive siyawubanakelela bonke kude lesawumbandlulula esigabeni sekutheni nangabe kumbe unesici leso la naso ladalwe naso bese sesenda ngathi yinto lebekafise ukuthi abe nje ngoba kude lofisa kuba ngileso sigaba bekunene ukuthi bonke labo siyawubanakelela sihambe nabo sifike nabo ku First World bekunene.
We will also not leave behind those that are physically impaired in various conditions of their lives, not of their doing, of course, but we shall ensure that they are well taken care of, and we shall also give them all the support that they need in the nation. I want to assure them also, all vulnerable groups, that they also will be taken care of as we foster our nation to our ambitious goal to reaching first world.
Bekunene naloku umqoka kwekuthi emakhaya nasihleti kube ngilabo likhaya lihlale linenjabulo kude kuhlukubetana ngaleto tindlela leto letihlukahlukene ekhaya ikakhulu nanihleli kanye kanye ekhaya la khona kufanele ngani yanakelelana ngemoya lomuhle bekunene esigabeni sekutheni ke tindvo letinjena njengoba umhlaba so uhlangene nesimo lesinjena nathi ke la kaNgwane ukhanza ngalesinye isikhathi uthi akukasigeki lokho kukhona ukuthi ke singemaswati siyadimbanzakanya ukuthi asinawuhambisana nako futhi siyakwenda konke lesingakwenda ukuthi kuhlukubetana emisebentini emakhaya noma ngangiphi indzawo kube indzaba lengakusatwa la kaNgwane ebekunene.
As a nation, it is important that we establish happiness at homes. Every home must stay happily. And married people, children, even colleagues at work must all establish themselves to stay in a happy form. As a nation, we shall not tolerate any abuse of any form. Could it be in the working place or at home? We frown at any act of abusive behavior that has been demonstrated as we see in the world today, that these acts are becoming more common. We therefore implore you as a nation to live peacefully amongst yourselves, especially at homes. Let homes be established in peace. Let homes be established to live happily.
Bekunene ngalamagama singete sawushiya nemhlaba kusukela eAfrika emhlabeni wonke jikelele uthi singemaswati siyati ukuthi konke nasiphumelela ngoba nemhlaba uphumelela. Siyawubona kumhlaba kulamalanga ukhasatekile ikakhulu uTekuthula kuTekuthula tilahlekile tindzaweni letitsite lesifisako siba kaNgwane ukuthi ke na uNkulunkulu angabahambela bonke labo lababonala ukuthi kuthula kubabalekele kubuye kuthula utobukwa ukuthi umhlaba uhlala njani ngoba umhlaba wakha Millennium Development Goals, Sustainable Development Goals labonalisa ukuthi ke ubuke ukuthi umhlaba wonke neAfrika yakha iAfrika leyifunako ukuthi impilo ibe ngcono uhlaleke kangcono ukuthi ke sifisa onke lawo maphupho aphumelele konke kuthula emhlabeni kuphumelele kube khona ebekunene.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would be remiss in my statement if I did not mention the geopolitical landscape that we do find ourselves in today. Our countries and nations in the world are faced with difficulties, especially in the lack of peace and stability. It is for that reason here today that our prayers go out to these nations so that we may be able to attain our ambitious goals that we have set for ourselves in the United Nations. We have the sustainable development goals that we have set for ourselves as nations that we must surely attain. Also in African Union, we have declared the Africa we want. This is an ambition that we must achieve. These are ambitions that we must achieve and ensure that these dreams come to pass. It is therefore our prayers that the global village may live in harmony, because our prosperity hinges on the success of our neighbors and the international community.
Bekunene nembalane ukusho ukuthi njoba kongena kuhamba kahle kuba kuhle siyawuqhubeka naso sigaba sekuhlala phansi njoba singemaswati lapho kuhlala phansi khona kubo bokuswana live ukuthi ulive lize liphumelele ngoba emhlabeni kude waba liqhalaqhala ukuthi uyawukwati konke ngiloyo udondolotela kulomunye atoze aphumelele bekunene siyawuqhubeka ke kubohlala phansi sibukusane singemaswati size sithole likhambi kito tonke tinhlangothi kungaba de kwakha iminotho kungaba de kwakha simo selive kuthi live lihlale lithulile litokwati ukuqhubeka esigabeni lesinyenti ukuthi konke lokho kuyawuba ngumgomo welive lesawuqhubeka ngawo bekunene.
As we continue in our aspirations of development in our kingdom, we shall continue to uphold dialogue as a foundation that builds our brighter future in the kingdom. We shall utilize dialogue in order to gather information, gather things that we must actually implement as a kingdom. It is for that reason that we shall continue to dialogue and ensure that as a nation we work together in the path of prosperity.
Bekunene sengqina ngingabonga onke imilayeto lengitholile siveni lebonalisako ukuthi nembala bonke bayasho bathi halala ngikhule ngize ngikokobe ukuthi yonke imilayeto yenu ngiyivile ngiyibonile ngekwehlukahlukana kude maphephandzaba ku social media nakuma platforms lahlukahlukene ngithi onke lawo ma birthday wishes lengendele wona angibabonge kakhulu bekunene.
In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, may I take this time to thank you most heartily for the birthday wishes that have been sent to me to live long upon the earth. I have seen these wishes on the social media, on our newspapers, on televisions, and various platforms where I have seen these billboards wishing me well and wishing me long life, and I appreciate and thank you most heartily for these great birthday wishes.
Bekunene nekubonga bonke laba usebentile lo msebenzi ngekwehlukahlukana babe banyende labahlanganise imibono nemiqondo ukuthi lo msebenzi wanamuhla ube impumelelo. Sithi ke kiko konke labakwendile ngaloyo ngamunye kungaba ngiloku la kwendile sithi bonke asibathumise ngemsebenzi lomuhle bekunene.
I would also like to take this time to thank all those that have organized this event so splendidly. in various forms. They've made their contributions in making the day successful and the event to be as great as it looks here today. My special thanks goes to all of you who have contributed to this day today.
Bekunene senganifisela lusuku loluhle njoba namuhla ngaphandle kokuba lusuku lokudala njoba lami belihlangane nephasika namuhla kuphinze kube lilanga le Flag Day sinifisela lisuku loluhle njalo futhi elangeni le Flag Day bekunene.
It now remains for me to wish you well today on this great day. As you may all recall that my birthday was during the Easter services. Today we also celebrate our National Flag Day. I therefore wish you a great National Flag Day today.
Siyabonga uNkulunkulu uyasibusisa sonke bekunene.
I thank you. May Almighty God bless us all. Bayethe wena waphakathi wena unganges uyimbubu yesabe kuhle mathole.
Ngangezwe lamakhosi awu bekunene selibhodlile libhubezi awu lishiselo seliyanyakatela seliyagizitela kevakala ukuthi sekubhodle imbube kubhodle ingwenyama awu sekumnanzi emphefumulweni kumnanzi kwonke eshiselo atmosphere yonke iyavuma nayo ikhuza libayethe wena waphakathi awu silosikhulu sesivile ngwenyama nduna yamaswazi tifiso tengwenyama la tifisele live lemaswati nemaplan lenawo ngale live bekunene kepha siyathi ukuthi naloku ilashiselweni nje ingeke ishiselo isale njalo itawushiya seyishiye tinvo letinhle naseshiselweni ngako awu siyayibongela nayo ishiselo kwekuthi namhla libalele ngakuyo bayethe wena waphakathi silosikhulu hulumende wembube ulungise imidlalo lemihle leminyenti levele ilingene lona lolusuku lwalamuhla awu bakhona ngwenyama nalabo labo gcapho liyavutha nalabo labazubako bayetulu ngwenyama nemakhwaya khona silo phindze sinalaba chamuka kwaNdebele kwaMabhoko ngwenyama labatabe bazidlalela nabo silo bachamuka kumanzunza kaMabhoko lapho kunenkosi Mabhoko yesithathu khona batabe badlala nabo silo batothi happy birthday engwenyameni awu nine bekunene njengoba senivile kuthi ingwenyama seyikhulume kahle kangaka aselesisho sonke sithi happy birthday, Your Majesty.